Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a trick that I utilize to save and cut the time in half drying my clothes. And the reason why I want to save time drying my clothes, because what it does is it makes my dryer last longer. It makes my dryer more efficient. And I just want to get my clothes dried fast, because usually I dry my clothes before I need to go somewhere, or usually, before I go to sleep. And I just want to get it done real fast. So a dryer is like a car, the more times you use it, you're coming close to where it's gonna break down. And this trick also will help you to where your dryer lasts longer, because we all hate it, when that time comes where you need to fix something and it just takes too long to fix. So our goal is to make our dryer last longer. So that's why I'm sharing this trick with my subscribers. I wanna thank you guys. And we're gonna use these binder clips, guys. Just the binder clip here in the beginning of the vent, and then a binder clip towards, just pick an area. And how shortening, we all know this, most people know that the more shorter your vent is, you're gonna dry your clothes faster. But I'm the inventor of this little strategy way. I haven't seen anyone do it this way. But usually what happens is people drop a sock or something behind the dryer and they need to get back there, and they'll move the dryer. And what happens is they're in a rush of doing things, and this vent will end up too long in the back. If you go in the back and it's long like this, your clothes are taking extra long time to dry, maybe 1 or 2 cycles. And for those that are watching this video, maybe your dryer's broken, it takes like 3 cycles to dry. Towards the end, I'll share you a secret on why that's happening. But I'm just going to show you how I have this in the rear of my dryer real fast. And yeah, it cuts the time in half. Drying your clothes, you'll save on utility bills and save the life of your dryer. So I'm going to just show you real back in the back of my dryer, and I'll give you some tips and tricks, guys. Alright guys, so here's the setup. As you can see how I have the rubber band on the binder clips. You can use a wire. I'm just using the rubber band for right now. But this strategy, what it allows us to do is, if it's already short, right? Already short cut, let's say, well, Marlo, I'll just cut it. Well, every time you get behind your dryer, you have to, it's too much work, right? You gotta undo this, you gotta undo that. This way, I just cut the rubber band if I need to take the dryer out more further. But today I was behind my dryer because I'm just cleaning all the lint. I was cleaning the vent and this hole here to make sure there was no debris trapped inside on both sides. You hear stories, this happens to everybody. There'll be a day to where your load takes multiple times to dry. And what happens is, inside here, there's a trap back here, and it's full of lint, okay guys? And how it gets trapped in there is because where you're right here. Every time you dry your clothes, you must clean your vents, right? Make sure every time you dry your clothes, you clean this out, right? But how that gets clogged, it also goes deep down in there, and it goes inside your dryer as well. So that's a quick tip for you guys. Through time, you have to go back here and clean it out, okay guys? So there you go, there's my setup. When I push my dryer back in, it goes back there nice and short. All right guys, so I went ahead and pushed my dryer, and see how it's nice and short there. And you can't make it too short, guys. It's got to be just right to where there's like a little L shape to the back of your dryer. So there you guys go. All right guys, one more hack before we go. When you're doing a small load of wet clothes, to dry your clothes faster, you take a terry towel like this for small loads, and you add it into the dryer with your wet clothes. This one's dry, and that will also cut the time in half to dry your clothes faster. And my video is all about helping people with their homes, making life easier, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.